Hello everyone, this is Andres, and if you're seeing this, I don't know if I'm going to make this video public and let people see, but I'm making this for my friends, so it's kind of like an inside joke for them. Yeah, I made it because I'm going to go to different high schools than they are, so I just wanted to make this to make them laugh and as a goodbye and thank you for being friends with me.
Hi, everybody! President Elmo here. Elmo called this press conference because Elmo just wants to talk to you about a few things, including the fake news, or as Elmo likes to call it, the
Pull the lever, Kronk.
peacocking news. Any questions?
Hey everyone, I'm actually the brother of him and the rightful leader. I'm really sad right now, so let me get up on the podium because I'm gonna be crying right now. So anyway, So my uncle just died and I'm probably gonna move out and I'm gonna tell everyone right now. Hello everyone, they killed my uncle, so now I'm gonna be ruler and guess what? We're gonna be in a World War, Kronk versus Elmo versus Freebirds. They're also super powerful, so yeah, I have a feeling that Freebirds or Kronk killed my father and uncle, so yeah, we're gonna murder them and everyone they love. So Communist Elmo is catching on to me. Even if that's true, I can put the blame on Freebirds by framing them. And it'll be fun to watch them burn themselves. After I use the restroom in the black hole, I'm going to eat their world. They will never be able to kill me, even if they team up. And ha ha ha, I cannot die. Ha 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 ha, ha ha. Somewhere in Poo-Poo, Hawaii.
Anime thighs when she opened up so wide I got a twinkle in my eye.
Yo, the pizza
school.
Bruh.
No!
Hello everyone, they killed my uncle, so now I'm gonna be ruler, and guess what?
What's
We're
this?
gonna be in a World War, Kronk versus Elmo versus Freebirds. They're also super powerful, so yeah.
What the heck is this guy talking about? I didn't do that. I need to resolve this peacefully. I need to talk to him.
Okay, right now I'm going to communist, and yeah, so I'm flying there. I'm the president of the United States, and I'm kind of scared to meet him, so hopefully we don't get
You're the president, so I know that, and it's super nice to meet you. I love turkeys. And, wait, did someone just tranquilize me?
Thanks for tranquilizing her, Dim. Anyways, so I love this city. I love everything about this. That's why I became president and intertwined with politics. And maybe when I see him, he can change his mind, and we can kill whoever killed his family, and we can be friends.
Sir, there is a helicopter with no weapons approaching. Should I fire?
No, don't fire. If he has no weapons and he comes in peace, let him land in the helipad.
Hello, we mean no harm. We're not trying to fight with each other, and so I was gonna say that I want you to trust us, because I didn't assassinate your family, and we need to stop whoever did, and I have a feeling that it's Kronk. I don't know about that, but if you're really trying to make an alliance with us, then you're gonna have to do the one thing that'll make you gain my trust. Defeating Moto. Can't defeat Moto. I have to get out of here. Detain him and put him in the Moto Coliseum.
You're gonna start a war. They're gonna come after me.
Oh great, now Moto's gonna eat me.
Fine, have it your way. Wait, I can make a fake hippopotamus that Moto will probably bang, so it'll be perfect. He'll be distracted and I will run.
Now I can run, but I kinda wanna join him. I'll run.
We know you have our turkey president. Hand him over now, wherever you're gonna pay.
the cannons. Don't tell Communist Elmo about this. Now.
Are you sure we shouldn't tell Communist Elmo? He's our leader.
Don't tell him about this. I'll take care of it. Get the cannons! Fire.
I should have pooped in the sun. It's just so uncomfortable. It's like sometimes like your poop goes back and it can't even really shoot out, and pooping in a black hole is just like so much easier. It's like a toilet for humans. What? That looks like that was in the direction of Earth. If Earth explodes, my dad is gonna be so mad. Hopefully that wasn't a time jump, and when it reaches me I'll go back in time, but hopefully I can fix this.
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again, boom. Ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, 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 bip, a bip, a do, a dip. Oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, maybe we'd be so fine. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, if I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom, then tell me, darling, I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Shaboom, if I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom, and tell me, darling, I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Boom, boom, boom. Ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang, a lang, oh, oh, bip, a bip, a do, a dip. Oh, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom.
My son, I know you went back in time to try to save yourself, but since you tried to save Earth in the process, I will give you your voice back, but you will still be able to be the Chronosaurus.
I see you at the movies. I see you with your lipstick on. I'm looking out for cosmos. I'm hoping that we'll get along. It's time for innovation. It's time for us to make a change. It's time for a Chinese New Year. It's time for me to make a way. Then I get no, I can't wait to get back from here.
Start a war. They're gonna come after me.
No, I can't.
Hello, it's me, Kronk, and I'm here to tell you that, well, your turkey friends and Communist Elmo, well, Communist Elmo, it was like his understudy or something, kind of exploded the world, and, oh, this is my favorite part. Alright, anyways, I'll stop the music now. So, Yeah, I'm here to save you. Oh, yeah, sure, I totally believe you. And yeah, I'm just gonna get out of here since you're gonna save me. The only way I'd believe you is if like a future me came out of nowhere. Hey, it's future me. Ah! Get away from me! What the heck is this? Chill. I'm from the future. I'm future you. Ah! Get away from me! Hello, yeah, it's me from the future. And stop yelling. That's super loud and mom is getting really annoyed. So anyways, yeah, so Kronk's telling the truth. How do I know that you're telling the truth? Why would I lie to you, you idiot? What's wrong with you? Oh, yeah, that's my bad. I guess you're right. Yeah, you're bad and I am right. So anyways, are you gonna use your 2 brain cells anytime soon? Oh, yeah, you can leave now. I mean, you don't have to bully me. Something important. So guys, the other turkeys are people. They planned an attack on evil communist Elmo understudy, and they failed. Oh no! Well, what should we do? If I don't know, how would I know? Good point.
Wait, this shine. It gives me a premonition. I have the same idea. Me too. This light. Just kidding. I have no idea what you're talking about. But no, I can't do it. Not another. Maybe, just maybe, I can do another montage of another song, Blinding Lights. Dude, are you guys idiots? I could literally just kill them all. I'm freaking Kronk. I am the son of God. That's dumb. You're dumb. Yeah, that's pretty dumb. Yeah, I don't agree with that, Kronk. Yeah, I don't know about that. Another montage would be cool. I mean, another song would be pretty cool. And wait, another montage. I have a great idea. How about while we're doing the montage, we get a huge doorknob? Yes, I was just thinking about that. What's up, guys? Just a friendly reminder that in my timeline, everyone dies. We won't make the same mistake as you. I get copyright struck. Okay, I get it. You guys are awesome, whatever. Now, can I eat you and we can go back in time and I'll spit you out? And we're not doing the montage. Okay? Okay, great seeing you all. I hope I'll see you again.